Hello students, good morning. Today we will see the third theorem based on triangle. This theorem is based on the similar triangle that if two triangles is similar to each other, then both the triangles having some area, and according to that the ratio of their area will be equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side. In order to prove this one, at first we will draw two triangles. One triangle is this one, A, B, C. Another triangle I will take here, little small. Let this triangle be P, Q, R. If we will have these two triangles, then according to that it is given that both the triangle is similar according to our statement. Then what is given? We will write here in the given, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is the symbol of similarity. If these two triangles is similar, it means all the ratios of all of its three sides are equal and all the angles are equal. It means angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. Also, if it is similar, then AB by PQ will be equal to BC by QR, and it will be equal to AC by PR. This much part is given. What to prove? We need to prove here that area of both the triangle, the ratio of the area of both the triangle, it means area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. It will be equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side, AB by PQ whole square, or it can be written as the square of BC by QR, or it can be written as the square of AC by PR. Either of this part. In order to prove this one, since here it is area, so we are knowing the formula of area, half into base into height. So what we will do in the proof part, at first we will do one construction. What construction we will do? That we will draw two perpendicular in both the triangles. One perpendicular I am drawing here, AM is perpendicular to BC, and another one I will draw here. There PT is perpendicular to QR. Here one perpendicular I am drawing. This is named as M, and here I am one perpendicular one I am drawing, that is PT. Next one, based on that whatever the things we need to prove, I will take that one as LHS. Now area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR, it will be equal to half into base is BC into height divided by half into QR into PT. Half and half I will cancel out. Then what we are having, we will write it in the separate way, BC by QR into AM by PT. Let it be question 1. Now we need BC by QR whole square. In place of AM by PT, we need to replace AM by PT. How we will replace? Just see here, I am erasing some part, just note it down. From here to prove I am erasing so that the above part will be useful for the next process. the equation was that we were having, I am writing the equation this side as area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC by QR into AM by PT. It was our equation. Now, the next step, what we will do, we will take triangle ABM and triangle PQT. ABM and PQT. According to given, angle B is equal to angle Q. It is given. And also angle M is equal to angle T. By construction, it is perpendicular, that means 90 degree. Therefore, by angle similarity, both triangle is similar. Triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQT. If it is similar, then we will take some part. If it is similar, then the ratio of their sides will be also equal. That means this implies AB by PQ, first two, must be equal to first and last AM by PT. Let it be equation 2. Also given, what is given here? AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. BC by QR. Let it be equation 3. Now, just see here, AM by PT is equal to AB by PQ. Also, BC by QR is equal to AB by PQ. It means AM by PT will be equal to BC by QR. So, we can write in place of AM by PT, we can write BC by QR. So, we will write from equation 2 and 3, AM by PT is equal to BC by QR. We will write here. From 2 and 3, AM by PT is equal to BC by QR. Let it be 4. Now, by putting the value of AM by PT in equation 1, we will get our proof. By putting value of AM by PT in 1, we will get area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC by QR into BC by QR. On multiplying both the terms, since both are same, so we will get here as BC by QR whole square. Also, BC by QR is equal to AB by PQ and it is also equal to AC by PR. So, we can write here from given area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to, in place of BC by QR we can write AB by PQ and hence it's square, so we will write it's square. It will be also equal to BC by QR whole square and it is also equal to AC by PR whole square. Hence our theorem is proved. For today this much only. Next video we will see the next theorem and next properties of this chapter. Thank you.